Oh, the hello again, guys. How are you all doing? Good evening, good evening. Good evening, everyone. Here we go again. Oh, where's the echo? Oh, where's the echo from? Oh, there it is. I see where it's from. Alright. Here we go. How you guys doing? What you guys doing? Here we go again. With another one. With another one. Let's get that Godot going. See what we gonna get today. See what we gonna get today going. Hey Nick, hey Ryan, hey Ultan, hey MKHP. Hello guys, hello. How is life? We be going with another one. Let's go. Alright, done. And boom. There we go. Oh, there we go. Got him. Alright. Well, let's get a little bit of that evening bonus stream. Nothing super crazy today. Nothing super long today either. I need to get my schedule, you know, in a little better. In a little better spot. In a little better spot I need to get my schedule. With a bit of an early sleep. Earlier sleep at least, I guess. That's the plan. So you're gonna be just like, I don't know, 1.5 hours maybe or something from now on. We'll see. We'll see. Well, I'm probably gonna lose track of time anyway. But yeah, we'll see. Well, we'll see. This soundtrack is over. I need to call it at least. That I know. That I know. Yeah, gonna get that going. Gonna get that schedule going. I'll go to bed a bit earlier so I can wake up earlier too. I'm gonna need to set up some comfy nice mornings with the walks for some swimming probably or something. That would be beautiful. That would be beautiful. At least just walks. That would be nice. That would be nice. A little more productive. Because right now my mornings are kind of PPG, dude. And that's not very good, because evenings end up kind of also being PPG. Either like grinding some like 76 or something, or, well, yeah, there's the bonus streams now in the evening too. Not exactly, well, I mean, I guess it's kind of productive, but yeah, not exactly the best probably. Alright, so, well, what we did the last time on Saturday was getting the draw. The draw of them dominoes. So now we're making the pile, and now we're drawing through the pile. That we did. That we did. Now let's, for today, maybe try to get some sort of, well, actually, no, interactive auction going. At least to be able to get them to move. And then at least to kind of start setting stuff up so we can get some snapping or something going. So they can snap to each other. And then some chicks. So they, you know. So they go the proper way. As in, you know, the matching numbers and everything. Only then so they snap. Those need to be like turned and everything too. I guess need like... to make that too. I don't know how would be the good way to do it. Like left click to drag, right click to flip or something. The business model, yeah. Well, the business model is to make something, man. Something that actually works. That is, for now, is the main. That's the main thing. That's the main thing. Alright, so there was, let me see, I was writing post and there is some sort of filtering thingy going there. That I need to remove. So the mouse interactions go through. Yeah, control, mouse ignore. Filter ignore. Don't even see what it does. Just ignore that completely. On all of them. Inspired by Tolkien, yeah. One and only. I mean, there probably were some individuals that are kind of questionable who were playing it. Maybe who even invented it back in the day, you know. In those times there was a lot of questionable individuals in general. Filter stop. And what does this do? Mouse filter controls whether the control will be able to receive mouse button input events through your GUI input and how these events should be handled. Controls whether a control can receive the mouse entered, mouse exited signals. Mouse entered, mouse exit. Alright. Constants that learn what each does. Control will receive mouse movement input and mouse button input events if clicked on through input. And controls will receive mouse entered, mouse exited signals. These events are automatically marked as handled and they will not propagate further to other controls, and this also results in blocking signals in other controls. Plus, this control will receive mouse movement input events and mouse button input events if clicked on through. Control will receive signals. If this control does not handle the event, parent control, if any, will be considered, and so on until there is no more parent control to potentially handle it. It also allows signals to fire in other controls. If no control handled in the event, no control handle it, the event will be passed to node shortcut input. Let's see. Ignore control will not receive mouse movement input events and mouse button input events if clicked on through. Control will also not receive. This will not block other controls from receiving these events or firing the signals. Ignored events will not be handled automatically. So what do we? Why would do we? Oh, why do we get it on ignored then though? Oh, I see. So for most of the elements we still put ignore, and then I guess we do not ignore on the elements that actually will be required to actually handle the clicks. I see. So this for now we can remove. The dominoes. So I guess it's also gonna take all this like control stuff too. Some dominoes we kinda want, I guess, to have input, except we actually kinda don't want it when it's in the pile though. Like when they're not when they're in the pile, we don't want to be able to do anything with them. They shouldn't be controllable yet. When they're here though, then they should. That's still probably ignore here though. Same goes with pass. Well, we'll see. We'll see how that will go. Alright, so domino pieces I guess we need to change then. So we need to get them somehow. Somewhat working on them. As the force pass. Scroll wheel events processed by input will be passed to the parent control. If mouse filter is set to mouse filter stop. AZ-RAT. As it defaults to true, this allows nested scrollable containers to work out of the box. Nested scrollable containers. Disabling the root of your UI, alright. Shortcuts. Alright, I see. You YouTuber body, you boy. Hope they actually kind of like don't really care about stuff much at all. Though I think they demonetized Dog now, so I guess they do be doing something sometimes. At least remove his subs temporarily. So that's something. All right, so whenever that we make them happen, but we need to get it actually like interactable in general. So when they drop down. So how will that go? That should be probably something in like in the UI here, right? Like you just kind of need to enable interactions in some of the properties, and we should be able to just drag them around already. But that shouldn't be a hard part. Hard part will be to make them all kind of like properly drop in the spots we want them to drop, and to snap them together. That will be the hard part, I guess. This for now is not that hard, but for that need to know where to do it. For that you need to know where to actually do it. And the shortcuts. Focus. Sounds like a lot of different stuff, but doesn't really have, you know, just like make it you know, interactable there. Fortnite collab, I probably wouldn't go there that well, unless it would be like a mini game or something. Maybe. For that you need to make it first, you still. So not yet. That will take some time. Now, for now they all kind of static completely. Can't do any of them whatsoever. The VTuber can. Well, I mean, that's just the boomer one. That's just the boomer of the random. Of the random boomer picture from the internet, pretty much. There it is, huh? Attracting them zoomers without it, yeah. Don't need any of that. Don't need any of that. Don't need any of them rather, even, I guess. Alright. So let me see. How shall we do that? So TikTok now. It's all about the TikTok now. Alright, so let me see. Is it all like through the scripts then? Nothing through the UI, I assume. Actually, I guess it wasn't that... It wasn't that simple on Unity 2. I think it still also requires some of the script handling there. I think. Alright, so what will that be then? I'm just checking how to do it the proper way. Alright, so yes, it seems like it's all gonna be at the for the script stuff, I guess. AJ. Call it green hell. I mean, that's for now. That's for now. Probably gonna be a bunch of it though. I will see, but probably. Where should we put that script on then? I think on domino pieces we don't need it, because then it's gonna be all of them everywhere, which we don't want to. We only want them to be movable when they are in the hand there. I'd rather remove them from the hand. So I guess like the hand or the container we need to attach the script to. Even though I'm not so sure then. Like technically it should be on the dominoes then. Technically should be on the dominoes. But that probably is not that good though. I actually kind of need to, I feel. I don't know. Can we pause it? So if we go in container and get the script there for moving, so we need like I guess the usual kind of stuff. So when you click, it sets like the node to kind of movable state. Then it's gonna follow the coordinates of the mouse. Then as soon as we like release or click it again, it stops following. Probably. I'm not sure what would be the best way. Should it be to attach the domino piece or should it be somewhere else? Technically it should be domino piece because it's gonna be the coordinates of the domino piece moving. I'm not sure if it would be a good way to do it if we add it somewhere else. Like if we add it to this container or something. Even though I guess we're gonna be moving dominoes only from the container. Well, the container, as soon as we drop them, they already shouldn't be moved really. And they stay on the field. Well, unless you drop them wrong and then they need to return to your hand. I guess the domino piece, having that script makes sense. Just need to make it not interactable when it's in the pile and everything. So while they're not in the while they're in the pile or on the field, then they shouldn't be moving. Only from hand. I guess. Okay, let's see. I guess I just drop it on the dominoes. And then, well, actually, I'm not sure. Will it make like a bunch of copies for this though? Or will it, oh, that's also kind of interesting question then. Like when we're gonna be instantiating all these dominoes, how will the script go? How will the script go? I already have the domino generation here actually, so... No, at least we already have this stuff here. I guess I can just use it. Or just add another script to this one. Yeah, this is the generation one. I mean, we need the multiple one, not just generate them, but move them too. Should add another one. Let's open script. Detaches the script. Can you make like another one? To populate, we added here. Well, this one going on. Yeah, with the draw function. That was the preload stuff, alright. That's remembering how we did things here. Well, it shouldn't really the generation script though doing it. That's the thing. We just make a new one, or should we still try to populate the same script? I feel like it's better probably to get the new one, I guess, for that. Just to not be confused. Can we get multiple attached though? I wonder. I wonder if we got... Has there been a generation though? How do we attach this to? Dependencies. Or... the owners for this one. Taking my SMH. Yeah, this one only has one. Can it only attach one? That doesn't sound right. There should be more. I feel. I'll leave it there. Well, I guess we'll see. It's just the script to where it even gonna be attached then. Like this one is yeah, that's the owner. And dependencies there. And no dependencies, just the owner. So I guess we also will need to add some for you later. Chief will be able to do it that simple though. Stand sheet, edit dependencies. Okay, so this one is here. I can't add them though. That's weird. Because I feel like just slamming everything in one script doesn't sound right. That doesn't sound right. Probably not the best idea to do it that way. Could do it for now, I guess, and then like see how it goes. I don't need to look into how to. What's gonna be the better way even to do it? 50 keylines per script, yeah, I guess. Yeah, you probably should be able to add like multiple ones to one. I don't remember already how it was in Unity. You could, I think, add like multiple scripts to one node there. The 8 key actually then, son. Does it have everything in? Doesn't have everything in. That sounds like quite the script there. Did you just think? Not really. That'll be way too simple, eh? Like if you go this way. Attach script. Well, seems like that works though. Nah, not really. Doesn't seem like it. Let's like save it all. Okay, that's how it goes. Well, that's quite simple and intuitive, I guess. Alright. So let's see, so we'll need to let's see what I say. Don't like the scriptable objects, then, son. I'm not a big fan of that one then. Alright, let's give the example. I'm not so sure about this one. About this one. Wait, so we just saw the input like this. Kind of listener for that. Let's see what I say. See, still prefer doing it that way. Still prefer doing it that way. Okay, so we, I guess, go... Let's see the... how it goes there. Oh, wait. Input event, yeah, okay, that one already does exist like this. Let's see. All makes sense more then. So let's check. Then just test how it will work in general to understand. As an example for now. I need to get like the idea, you know, how things work that I can remembering. Like at the end already with the Unity and everything, I could kind of, you know, somewhat at least already function. Not completely familiar, but at least I could do something. Here for now, I am completely clueless, really. You need to get the idea how things work. Alright, let's see how this goes. I'm gonna go with the leaf there. Malls in motion. Like overall, this like handling of events at least seems kind of alright. Overall. Oh, just like full example just to see how it will go. I want to see how it goes. And I wonder how it even go in general. What they are not like about this one. Direct base callable. What you mean though? What you mean though, yeah? In this context, I guess it doesn't understand that stuff, probably. Property erect on a base callable. Probably because we use something else here there. No. Give me some more. And the coolable base. Alright, fine, whatever. It's just Get rid of it for now. See what happens. See what happens. Just wonder if it will actually multiply all that. Existing functions set both the base control with the move. Oh wait, why? Not sure about that. I'm not doing any set both in the mover. Did you like? What did you do there? Permanent populated function ready. Yeah. So I guess maybe adding multiple scripts wasn't the best idea. Maybe. Wasn't it? Why even try this? Oh, wait a second. Instead of both. Yeah, I guess it tries to go. Yeah, we need that. Not every script, it looks like. How will that go? Dominance unchild instance. Yes, I guess it kind of tries to send both of them. Confuses scripts with the functions. Well, what would be the best way to do it? I thought it was kind of like better to just split, but yeah, I guess it doesn't really matter. If I'm splitting it in different files, it still kind of like calls for both of them here, seems like. And now the second file doesn't have that function. Did I completely detach it though that way? Really? Oh, so it is wait, is it like you can have only one attached? That's what that was what I was trying to understand. Save it. No, wait. Bruh. Let's domino populate here. And then the domino generate here. There we go. More than one? Well, I thought maybe it's kind of easier to sort it that way. But I mean, makes sense. Makes sense. Just remember that like in Unity there was like a bunch of different scripts. But I guess they also were kind of mostly attached to different nodes though. So then fine. Well, I mean, we need to make it not into generation though. But somewhere else. Well, fine. That will rename later. This now should... alright. That does, even though it does it all the time when it moves and everything too. Did it even register the click though? A bit of food here. Let's do the motion removed for now. Click on click. Alright. Wait, so it does go double, sorta. Input event mouse button. Click, unclick. Wait. That still was kind of a little too much, it shows, right? I think I know why though. I think it's because it instantiated all those scripts too. Hey Nick, hello. How we doing? Instantiated all the scripts and now it just takes it. Now it just does, now it just multiplies basically. Alright, that means we probably don't want to handle movement that way. Because it seems like it just multiplied them. And the GitHub, they give up, I say, alright. I see. I went to the pool. That's nice, man, that's nice. Swimming is amazing. Swimming is super good, man. I respect that. I respect that. But what would be the right way then to like where should I won't get cold route? Let's see. It's so good, man. It's so good. Understandable. But where it would be better to handle the movement though. Like we ain't doing it in the dominoes because that just multiplies the script multiple times. I assume we don't want that. So we can just add it to the playing field, I guess. At least for now. And then I guess we'll see. Let me open it. Let me open it. Let me open it and see. Wait, so you just like making domino basically reparent itself to course for them. Looking at it, looking at it. Trying to figure out how to do it then. So that's the emit signal stuff, alright. Alright, I guess I kinda see, alright. I see with them signals, we didn't do the cursor stuff yet. I guess for now we can just do the quick first anyway. Yeah, I see, alright. Yeah, the cursor script will be just setting the position. All right. All right. What you would be attaching the cursor script to then? Or it can be just kind of like the general thing. Oh, the cursor node. All right. Wait, is the cursor node just Yeah, I see. That is understandable. Wait, so the cursor node is it like some specific type? Oh, actually, I see some of this here. On the cursor scene. Alright, let's try. Wait, so it does work better than in terms of the repeating stuff, I guess. The domino. That's easy, right? See, alright. Alright, so we're doing the signal stuff. Let's do it. Yeah, signals do sound kinda good, Yes, easy racing, alright. Well, for now I kinda just also want to get the idea. And just general idea, I guess. I do kinda see it. Alright, so this we do not need, and it's already disconnected anyway. At the right node tab? Alright. That's the signals, alright. Signals and groups. Connect signals with functions. Connect, Okay. That's good to know. Alright, so we're doing it where we... Alright, we'll just like see what I am unlocking here. And we'll try to make it work. Signals go this way. Alright, that here. Okay, so you need to initialize the mouse down stuff. I'm gonna be the boolean. Looks like. Alright, and then it's the area to the input event. Alright, so that's kind of like the different input event, but judging by the name, sounds a little a more proper and fitting one for what we do here. Now it recognize it. Oh, what a twist. Nice, if it's not mouse button, we do nothing. Left mouse button. This one it emits the signals. And that's how it goes. No. Good. Alright, this way. Oh, the area 2D, alright. The area 2D is the type of the node, right? Maybe we just go with the regular stuff for now. But then I guess there is no... I think there is only event there. Well, I mean, which for now there is only event also, I guess. It was on input event, right? I think. No, it's just input. Just input might be not right, or actually it works. This okay. Well, I mean, that was kind of scuffed though. No, it's kind of scuffed there. Into the solutions. Alright, so this goes. Yeah, so this is the signals that we emit there. Click dominant release. How do we connect? Connecting from. And then we need to get the receive there. And on the okay, I see how it goes. Alright. And then we need to find where to get it. Where are we going to be reading it? I don't need this. Control domain click. Okay, I see. So that's in case when there is like a lot of different signals, I guess, in different nodes. Actually, wait a second. Yeah, this one's supposed to be. On generation should be on dominant piece though, yeah. connecting from... Oh yeah, actually no, okay, makes sense. Here we go. I got confused now. Well, if we connect on the same one, then we can use this event right here. Like, what if we connect it this way? And we all disappear there. There we go. Let's see, alright. So now we can do stuff when this happens. Well, I mean... might as well try. That's how this goes. That was... will it still take this one though? I wonder. Is this a part of the signal? Probably not. Yeah, event not declared in the current scope. So we need kind of more information for that one. Yeah, we'll need to emit something else, I assume, then. So this one goes... let's see, it goes domino, let's see. Can we actually, like... I think I should have the domino here, right? So can we, like, do on this way? No, it's not gonna. So we should kind of understand what to do, I guess. It still instantiates the script, I feel, though. So they all fire it up whenever you click even one, seems like. It was like the same way on the scuffed way I tested it. I guess it's just like instantiates all the copies here. So they all fire up pretty much. I need to make it only on one. I need to make it only on one then. I'm not sure for what for it tries to fire the signal and everything for all of them. It was the same, just also like trying to get the coordinates of the click and everything of the input event. It still gets them all. Huh? Not sure why would it, but not sure why would it, but it does. Now this is because of the instantiating, so it just gets the copies of the script also, and for some reason they all fired up. The instances of the script. That's a wrong event, you think? And then there shouldn't be the mouse button. I feel like it's because like the script gets instantiated so many times. I think like that there was something similar with Unity. I think. Oh, it actually works on your end. All right, let's see. So I guess if it's the 2D thing, then it works right then. On the 2D field thingy we need to create. Oh, just any input. Okay, I see. Alright. I see. So we need the specific input. Need a specific one. Well, we need So the 2D area is like the type of the node you created, I assume. Alright, so then we need to create another one then. Or find some other fitting input, I guess, then. See. doing? What you doing? Can this be the one, I wonder? Can we make this one work? We'll take this specific one we have. Not this one. Or can it be? I could understand that one. I wonder. And also not really. Deleted too much stuff there. Here you go. Yeah, this one now is not quite enough though. It works, but that's the wrong. I guess this one also doesn't really understand much. Updating the one, So that doesn't know. There should be some other one. Or we just need to set that thing up. Some of the node events there. What control would be the case? I guess not. Yeah, I don't even understand that one. For some reason refuses to. Actually, maybe it's not. It's not the actual event there then. Okay, this one just stays empty then. And yeah, this doesn't have this. But this one maybe then. And this one just stays empty, but then yeah, then it's not an event. That's not the one. And this one has some different parameters, I guess. The input input event? Probably not. I guess you need like specific node on which it's gonna be firing up. Otherwise it's not gonna go. I would assume. So I'm not doing even shit, I guess. Yeah. There should be some more specific input. Let's see. Didn't show any of these there. Yeah, there's this one, for example. I guess that might be kinda there. Yeah, we'll get this one then. On GUI input. Well, then this one will work. It doesn't take any of these. Wonder if it doesn't understand the most events that way. Because that seems at least like it should kinda be okay. Maybe on GUI something else there. And the node receives an input event. Center mouse exit. No mouse click stuff though. Yes, the GUI input doesn't work. Actually seems like it should work though, I think. actually. No, that should... maybe. Would be because of that. Be any of those? Can it be any of those, I wonder? It worked with the input though, Okay, on this one I guess stop is okay though, I assume, since we kinda need it here. Maybe that will do. No, did not do. How do we filter this one too, I wonder? Kinda doesn't sound right though. If we set it on everything. That doesn't seem like it. This one though, this one is already ignored though. Dominance I think shouldn't really be against it much. I feel like it kinda should Well, it seems like this one should be working though. I wonder what's interrupting that. Maybe not in focus though, seems like. Now what's the in focus then? Could be something with like layers or some shit. What's wrong with this one then? Yeah, the GUI should work. Seems like. And I feel something is kinda working it though. Maybe something with like the order or some shit. Something that takes the click first. I wonder what interrupts it then. Oh, what interrupts it then? You can get the most out from this one. Actually, maybe. No, wait, I was stopped I think before. That would kind of make sense. But I think it was already though. I tried it first. You didn't eat. Sure it doesn't fire it. Sure it doesn't fire it up then, because technically it should, Stop the event there, but for some reason it doesn't, seems like. Actually, I guess in the bunker we could see that too. Wait a second, maybe that's way. Can that be the case? Thank you, Epic. Amazing. Oh, very nice of you. It's like I'm clicking there. Do I need to kind of like exactly click it on that? It's still gonna be the same because I made them kind of big, yeah. I was not top number now. Should be at least. I'm still showing that. Is it showing still the old one or something there even? Yeah, that should the old one. Boy. How do we check that? So now I guess nothing even technically happens. And no clicks yoinked even. We start debug, yeah? Like whatsoever. So when I do input, that did work though. No, that's still the bigger. That's still the same stuff, even though it does work. Show what debugger is showing then. What you showing? here. She was like it kinda should go with this one on the individual node, individual control. That one should work. One trigger if click outside of the node or is overlapped. So you need like a very specific one for that or something. I mean, it do be overlapped here though. Maybe like the Z index maybe helping here. Helping here. Kinda doubt it though, but yeah, no, okay. So that actually a good thing you learn. Interesting. So that actually doesn't help that way. So event handling, I guess, only with ignoring like the mouse, which I already like set it to. Set everything else to ignore it. So it's only this one should stop it. Or maybe we'll not ignore it. We need to pause it then. Okay, maybe yeah, maybe we actually need to pause then. Then this one will actually get it. It'll be that way. I kinda doubt that this scene will matter much. Just in case. Okay. That indeed is quite a fiesta with this one. I mean, makes sense though. Just kind of something to keep track of then. What's gonna be how it handles the inputs then. Alright. We basically need to set up who's passing and who's catching. What if it said these to ignore? Alright, these can go and ignore, right? So I guess the dominants already appear later, so they already yank it all. Yeah, will that actually work with those? Let me see. Technically it shouldn't, or will it? It does seem like. Yeah, it still does with those two. That we kinda don't need really. This one already goes and ignore. Well, actually, if we maybe... Nah. This one also will ignore. I think we need to make somehow, I guess... Well, not super necessarily, but somehow to avoid this stuff. Because we don't want to interact with those if they're not in the hand. But that I guess is kind of whatever. That we can figure other way. We just thought maybe through the order in the mouse handling we would be able actually to do it. Hey Oxer, hello. How we doing? You back? Damn son. Not actually Shadowbender anymore. What a twist, man. What a twist. How we doing, man? Being a little PP against stuck sorta, but we kinda did it. We kinda did it in the end. Now it's gonna be figuring out the next steps. But we'll do. At least we got. Didn't expect that will be this will be the ding stuff, but it actually kind of is. All right. I do like the structure of all this stuff, how it works. That actually makes all the sense. No longer shadow band indeed. I guess you can go like the drawn, the ones that are drawn, you just kind of like switch their mouse filter. And before they move, you just don't even touch them, I guess. Maybe. Because we don't want to interact with dominoes that are not in hand. Everything else should be not available to us. So maybe we even by default start them and like ignore. And then when they get in, when we parent them to here, they switch mouse filter to stop. So they actually handle the events. Then we remove them, they again need to switch them to ignore. I guess. Alright, so at least that little bit we did. So pretty much like today was just like me being PP again, trying to figure out how this works, how the click handling works, the click event. Now we kind of know. Well, even though it wasn't even that hard, the hard part was that you need to set up the order who gonna handle those events. That is the dink part, I guess. The dinker part, but we got it. So that's good, huh? So then, so like making this like a cursor thingy and tracking the cursor and reparenting the dominoes to the cursor. All right. There's a ding stuff. Yeah, I'm trying to figure how to deal with that next then. It's also like it's gonna be like field. On the field there will be like dominoes already like present, already laying there on the field. So we'll need to like drag the new one there. And we'll need to probably also like kind of flip it. Yeah, we'll need to flip it with like the right click or something, let's say. Then we need to kind of like drop it, and then it should figure out does it belong there or not. Just thinking if it's like parenting, reparenting to like some other entity, yeah? How will that work? I do feel like it will be nice to have some sort of a collision later or something, probably. To kind of do this like on collision thing, we're gonna be comparing the numbers on the domino. And if they don't match, just throw them back. Which at least will be kind of easy, and seems like to return them back. I'm just gonna reparent them back to the container, and they also gonna like get back properly, sorted out. That is kind of cool, actually. That will be kind of simple that way. But yeah, to assign it to the field properly, and that will be the quest. Thought it will be something to do already today, but yeah, I feel like just even like going through all the events things took some time. It's actually kind of like a nice thing though. Like I just need to get used to it and understand how it all works, because it's like it seems like a pretty nice system that way with signals. I do like it. Just wonder how complicated it will get when you have like so many different things that are gonna be, you know, signaling to each other. How confusing that will be. But I mean, I guess that's how it is, huh? Nothing you can do about it. Nothing you can do. Yeah, there'll be also like some sort of snapping that you'll need to do. That's also gonna be that will be something. So it's knobs to the bones that are already on the table, and the dominus on the table. And when we throw the new one. Well, yeah, today we got the basic event stuff. So tomorrow it's gonna be like trying to actually with depth to move it. So you can move them and then drop them. And drop them on the field, and then already after that gonna be after they can be dropped, then we can figure already if we can or how we can, not if, how we gonna get them too much. How we gonna get them too much. That's probably gonna be the dankest stuff, really. It's like moving, throwing, making it all snap, and making it all connect, and making it all check for the numbers. After that, it's gonna be already kind of like easier to add the basic functionality. At least should be when all that will be in place. So let's try tomorrow to do the move-in, the actual move-in. Today we got the event, tomorrow we're gonna do something with the event. At least it does kind of work. And then with that event we can move it. Can move it. Till tomorrow I think for sure though. Tomorrow for sure. Sunday, guys, I guess we'll see. Depends again, like how long the news talk will take. That's usually the defining factor on how long it is. How long it is defines how much time I have left then. Because I can be probably already around this time would be perfect to kind of call, because I'm gonna have like an hour and a half maybe left, and then it's gonna be already the bed get time. Because yeah, I kind of want to get my mornings a little longer, a little earlier, so I can maybe go for the swim in the morning. Well, maybe I need to. It's like already here for over 2 months and still like only one time I went to swim. That is not good. Well, weather is also a bitch though, but still not good. I'll need to fix that. That I need to fix. Alright, thank you Zebra for the GitHub. That is helpful. That is very helpful. Okay, ended up with a little kind of different way, I guess, but not much. Just the different signal there. Just a different type of signal, but seems like at least it works. So that's a good thing already. At least something works. That is good. That is good. Whoop. Alright. So you're gonna be time then. So you're gonna be not really a very long ones. I'll think about it maybe like on some work days and stuff too, a little bit. I also wanted to kind of like do some, not just the Godot thing. Thought maybe to get some bonus gaming here and there, and just to, you know, to deal with some of the grindy stuff, I guess. You know, all that kind of stuff. To get some grinding, and maybe not just the grindy, but the playthroughs also, to get some progress in the evenings would be kind of nice. At least the grindy stuff I do in the evenings anyway, so not like it's kind of, you know, much different. I still do be grinding some 76 and stuff off the stream, so might as well just kind of do it on YouTube, I guess, or something. Not that big of a deal. Still doing that, but yeah, we'll figure it out. For now, yeah, for now I will be out. So yeah, gonna be the usual Twitch stream, 9 a.m. CST. And then yeah, like 4:15 again or something like that. Around that time, when the stream is over, gonna be here. I'm gonna try to do more stuff. We gonna try to do more stuff. I'm gonna try to make things move. So yeah, have a nice rest of your evening, guys. And see you all tomorrow. Thank you for hanging out. Was kind of like a little period today. Just trying to figure shit out. But well, at least we did. At least we did. And that's all that matters. Alright, so yes, see you all tomorrow. Enjoy the rest of your evening. Love you all. Bye bye.